Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn 40 plus feelings and emotions vocabulary with their synonyms. Joyful, very happy. Are you joyful about the results? Yes, I'm very happy with them. Sad, unhappy. Why are you sad today? I'm just feeling a bit unhappy about the news. Furious, very angry. Are you furious with me? I was, but now I'm not angry with you. Excited, thrilled, extremely happy. Are you excited about the trip? Yes, I'm absolutely thrilled to go. Scared, frightened, afraid. Are you scared of the dark? Yes, I feel frightened sometimes. Surprised, amazed, astonished. Were you surprised by the party? Yes, I was totally amazed. Confused, puzzled, bewildered. Are you confused by the instructions? Yes, I'm a bit puzzled, to be honest. Exhausted, very tired, worn out. Are you exhausted after work? Yes, I feel very tired. Lonely, isolated, alone. Do you feel lonely sometimes? Yes, I do feel isolated at times. Bored, uninterested. Are you bored with this task? Yes, it's making me uninterested. Nervous, anxious, worried. Are you nervous about the meeting? Yes, I feel a bit anxious. proud, satisfied, pleased with. Are you proud of your work? Yes, I'm quite satisfied with it. Embarrassed, ashamed. Were you embarrassed by the mistake? Yes, I felt really ashamed. Jealous, envious. Are you jealous of his success? No, I don't feel envious. Hopeful, optimistic. Are you hopeful about the future? Yes, I'm trying to stay optimistic. Guilty, remorseful, ashamed. Do you feel guilty about what happened? Yes, I feel quite remorseful. Frustrated, annoyed. Are you frustrated with the situation? Yes, it's making me really annoyed. Grateful, thankful. Are you grateful for their help? Yes, I'm very thankful. Relieved, comforted, happy. Do you feel relieved after the exams? Yes, I feel much more comforted. Disappointed, let down, saddened, upset. Are you disappointed with the outcome? Yes, I feel really let down. Content, satisfied, happy. Are you content with your life? Yes, I'm quite satisfied. Anxious, worried. Are you anxious about the test? Yes, I'm feeling worried. Hopeful, positive, optimistic. Are you hopeful about the new job? Yes, I feel really positive. Confident. Self-assured. Are you confident about your decision? Yes, I'm quite self-assured. Depressed. Downcast, sad, gloomy. Are you depressed lately? Yes, I've been feeling downcast. Curious. Inquisitive. Are you curious about the results? Yes, I'm quite inquisitive. Shocked. Stunned. Were you shocked by the news? Yes, I was completely stunned. Annoyed. Irritated, angry. Are you annoyed with them? Yes, I am really irritated with them. Optimistic. Hopeful. Are you optimistic for a positive outcome? Yes, I'm quite hopeful. Overwhelmed. Stressed. Are you overwhelmed with work? Yes, I'm feeling so stressed. Inspired. Motivated. Are you inspired by their success? Yes, I feel very motivated. Reluctant. Hesitant. Are you reluctant to try it? Yes, I'm a bit hesitant. Suspicious. Wary, doubtful. Are you suspicious of their intentions? Yes, I'm quite wary of them. Impressed. Awed, amazed. Are you impressed by the performance? Yes, I was truly awed. Calm. Peaceful, serene. Are you feeling calm today? Yes, I'm feeling very peaceful. Sympathetic. Compassionate. Are you sympathetic to their situation? Yes, I'm very compassionate. Conflicted. Torn, unsure, hesitant. Are you conflicted about the choice? Yes, I feel quite torn. Pessimistic. Negative. Are you pessimistic about the future? Yes, I'm feeling a bit negative. Encouraged. Uplifted. Are you encouraged by the progress? Yes, I'm feeling very uplifted. Disheartened. Discouraged. Are you disheartened by the setback? Yes, I feel really discouraged. Eager. Enthusiastic. Are you eager to start? Yes, I'm very enthusiastic.